Hey guys, we at PrintPhase have tried many different DTF RIP software. We've tried Flexi Print Manager, we've done CADLink, also known as Digital Factory, also known as Fiery, and we also have used NeoStampa. And I'm here to tell you that NeoStampa is by far the best RIP software that we have ever used. I say that for many reasons. One, it is the most user-friendly to use on a day-to-day basis for ripping and then printing DTF transfers. But then secondly, color profiling is extremely easy and user-friendly. And we find that color profiling is extremely important to be successful when it comes to printing DTF transfers. You have to have a spectrophotometer, but NeoStampa makes it incredibly easy, step-by-step, to use the color profiling modular with a spectrophotometer, scanning our colors, and outputting a really good color profile that works with our printer. It's extremely important to have a good brain behind the printer. The brain is the RIP software, and we have found that NeoStampa has the best brain out of any of the other RIP software we have used, and highly suggest looking at it whether you're looking for a new printer or you have an existing printer and you're like, I wonder if I could do better. Odds are you can. Look at NeoStampa, that's under the Inèdit umbrella, and look at purchasing a spectrophotometer like this one from X-Rite, the iPro Basic 3 Plus. And you'll see for yourself why making this change to this RIP software can really elevate your DTF quality.